You're looking at a 2021 GMC Sierra Duramax 3500 Denali 4x4. This Duramax is a low-mileage truck with no accidents recorded on the history report. It has the remainder of the factory warranty. The interior and exterior are clean. It runs and drives nicely. The 20-inch Hankook Dyna Pro all-terrain tires are in good shape. It has a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, 10-speed Allison transmission, 342 rear axle ratio, 11.5 heavy-duty rear axle, Eaton automatic locking rear differential, Z71 Off-road Suspension Package with skid plates, digital variable steering assist, adjusts steering feel based on speed, load, and road conditions, advanced trailering system, Hitch Guidance with Hitch View, fifth wheel hitch. Safety features include Driver Alert 1 and 2 packages, which include Side Blind Zone Alert, Rear Cross Traffic Alert, Forward Collision Alert, Automatic Emergency Braking, Lane Departure Warning, IntelliBeam Auto High Beams, 360-degree HD Surround Vision Camera System. Features include Denali Ultimate Package, Heads-Up Display, Power Sunroof, Power Retractable Assist Steps, Leather Interior, Power Adjustable, Heated Front Seats, Rear Seats are heated, Leather Steering Wheel is also heated, GMC Premium Infotainment System with 8-inch touchscreen and navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite radio, wireless phone charging, Bose Premium Audio System, factory upgraded 7-speaker system with subwoofer, dual zone climate control, rear camera mirror, displays a live HD video feed from rear camera, replaces traditional mirror view, remote start with keyless entry and keyless start. This diesel has too many options to list. Go to our website for even more information.